Hey there folks, Chris Cunningham from Hardcore Scoop & Co with your weekly update on the state of the market here on the beautiful North Shore. And to sum things up in a nutshell, activity and results during the week improved yet again, and we recorded some of our highest numbers to date since being released from level 4 lockdown. We had the highest level of inspections with 1,910 groups through our Cooper & Co listings. We called our highest number of auctions with 34 properties going under the hammer, and we achieved our highest clearance rate, selling 22 of those properties at their auctions at a clearance rate of 65%, wrapping up what was our busiest week yet post-lockdown. We are now sitting on a 4-week average auction clearance rate of 60%, which is very good. And what's even more interesting is these numbers are getting pretty close to those that were recorded during the height of the market earlier this year, just before we went into lockdown. Now, our weekly clearance rates peaked back then at 73%, and our highest 4-week average was 68%, and we all know what was happening to prices back then. The current numbers have been building strongly and appear consistent, but now with 2 weeks of school holidays in front of us, it will be very interesting to see how things continue. Now, why does the property market seem so hot right now? Well, there are a number of factors at play, but the most significant is the shortage of stock, which tightened this week to just 1,359 properties available on the North Shore on realestate.co.nz. And to put this in context, this is around 30 to 40 properties less than what was available in February, March earlier this year. Now, combine this with an increase in demand due to record low interest rates and more confidence returning to the market, we are starting to see demand exceed supply as the balance is tipping back in the favour of sellers once again. A great example is this property at 1 bar 35 Veron Road, which we took to auction over the weekend. We actually appraised this property late last year at around $750,000 to $800,000. Now, it has a CV of $780,000, and the auction was brought forward selling with competitive bidding from 4 bidders for $885,000, over $100,000 more than CV and more than we thought that we would get for it late last year. Now, really great properties will always attract attention and sell well in any market, but what we're seeing now is just pretty good or even average properties garnering a lot of interest and selling well. Buyers, well, you can expect to see a little bit more stock coming after the school holidays, but don't expect much. Pre-listing activity from CoreLogic doesn't indicate any big rush of stock coming to the market anytime soon, so if you see one that works and you're ready to go, just go for it. Now, my team is pretty much sold out after concluding 14 deals in June alone, but we have some great new stock launching just after the school holidays, so keep an eye out for details in my newsletter or just give me a call. Till then, have an awesome weekend. If you're heading away for the holidays, please stay safe on our roads. Remember to support local, buy local, and enjoy our beautiful backyard. Take care, and we'll see you next week.